Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Indonesia. I think we got something pretty unique in here. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, wow. So there's a company in Indonesia called Suprama, and they're the company that makes the range of products called Best Wok. And they make just a super groovy mee goreng. It's actually on the top 10 list this year. They've come out with something new that I'm really curious about trying. It's a corn vermicelli. And let's take a look at this. Yeah, this is from their Urai range of products, and it is a noodle made from corn, which is really interesting. It says it's gluten-free, and what else we got here? It's gluten-free, fat-free, cholesterol-free, no added preservatives, vegetarian. So definitely fits a lot of bills for people with certain dietary restrictions. I'm really curious how this will be. They also have the corn vermicelli in their Dara line. And then here's another one. This is a wheat flour noodle, and you get a bunch of plain packs in this package. I've tried this before. So this is a seasoning base you would use to make a onion chicken soup to go along with your noodle. They also send a seasoning base to make mee goreng, and that's what I'm very curious about. A corn vermicelli mee goreng sounds really interesting. And look, they sent an apron, I believe. Yeah, this is an apron. And here's the logo on that. Very cool. This is another range of instant noodle they make, as well as the seasoning. And here's the apron, however, showing the different branding. And one more apron, and this one's from Best Wok. Cool. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Suprama, Best Wok, Urai, and Dara. Well, all the same thing. But yeah, thanks to the folks over at Suprama for sending this over. I am super interested and will be reviewing shortly. Also, congratulations on your Best Wok mee goreng, making the Ramen Raiders Top 10 Instant Noodles of All Time 2022 edition. With that, this is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.